Thursday after Thursday, and it's unforgiving.
What? What? Do you want something? What? Okay, I'll give you a snack. There you go. Eat your snack. Mm-hmm. What's going on out here? Hey. Dude, those clouds are moving too. Those clouds move. Wow. Pretty clouds. No, don't come over here, Milo. You're supposed to be in your house. Silly dog. Go home to your house. No. Go. Go. He smells that ham I gave to my kitty. Well, you'd have your food if you stayed inside your fence. Silly dog. Oh, those clouds are moving. Wow. Woo-hoo. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for all you give us. Thank you for all you show us. Now you can really see it up against that blue. See those clouds? They're hauling. Huh. The top layer of clouds is going the other way. That's funny. Okay, Heavenly Father, thank you for all you give us. Thank you, thank you. Ah, thank you, Heavenly Father. Yeah, watch out for that dumb Milo. Oh, that's the dog's owner honking at him. Watch out for the dog in the road. I'm just teasing you. I'm just teasing. All right. I love you, all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Thanks for tuning in and looking at the clouds with me and watching Emma. Man, those clouds are moving. I've never seen them that high up moving that fast, I don't think. Oh, clouds coming at 3 different directions there. Pretty cool. Okay, you guys remember, love one another, be honest with one another, and lift one another up. I'll leave you with the sun. Thank you, Mr. Sun. It's almost blue. Okay, love you guys. Bye for now.